The earbuds that we're going to check out today is something familiar but from a different brand. And I think perhaps some kind of schematics have been circulating around, and to the question of who came before who, honestly doesn't really matter. More importantly is which of these earbuds we need to choose from.
Dream of you all night.
Today we're taking a look at Aukey's take on a budget pair of true wireless earbuds that we've previously checked out and to see if these earbuds are worth the premium. Welcome to a review of the Aukey EP-T31. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. With that said, let's get on with the review of the Aukey EP-T31. These earbuds are graciously sent to me by Aukey for review, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The EP-T31 retails for about US 43, and that's about 170 Malaysian ringgit. And it's still a budget pair of earbuds, but it's slightly on the higher end of the spectrum, so if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So let's address the elephant in the room, and these earbuds look exactly or 99% similar to the Halo GT5 that we've looked at just a week ago. Honestly, I don't know who came up with this design first, but for me that doesn't really matter because it does happen quite often like this. The case is made of the same material and plastic finish of the GT5, so you should expect some scratches to the case after using it for a while, so best to take good care of them. At the top of the case you get the usual Aukey branding that is nice and stealthy at the top of it, and flipping it to the back you get a nice USB Type-C charging port to quickly charge up the earbuds, and similar to the Halo GT5, the flat bottom of the case also hides a wireless charging coil, so put it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. So hidden at the front of the case is also 3 LED indicators that subtly lights up to tell you the battery percentage of the case. So far everything from the outlook of these two earbuds is actually pretty much the same. Aukey gives you a very nice friction lid for the case, and the overall feel when opening the lid is really nice and smooth, and even if you tilt them around it's not going to slam shut on you. And inside you see the earbuds sitting nice and flat, similar to what you get with the Halo GT5, and they are very typical tiny TWS earbuds. At the front of the earbuds you also get a cutout for the touch sensor surface, so you'll know exactly where you're tapping when using these earbuds, and at the back of the earbuds you see a proximity sensor that will detect whether the earbuds are in or out of your ear and play or pauses music accordingly. So these earbuds are really tiny, so in my opinion I think they should fit most ears even if you have smaller ears. And from the battery perspective, Aukey is marginally better than the Halo, but more battery is always still good. The earbuds will give you about 5 hours of continuous playback time, which is 1 hour more than the Halo, and with the case it'll give you a total of 30 hours compared to the 24 hours on the Halo. The earbuds takes about 2 hours to charge up and the case takes about 3 hours to fully charge. The T31 also comes with all the standard capabilities that most earbuds at this price point comes in, and compared to the Halo it's just slightly better. These earbuds are equipped with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset which gives you support for AAC and SBC audio codec, and in the world of Spotify and YouTube these specs are pretty decent. The T31 is also rated to be IPX5, which is just a bit better than the IPX4 of the Halo, and should give you sufficient protection for your workout, sweating, and even getting caught under the rain shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. And with the proximity sensor on the earbuds, the T31 also gives you the capability for autoplay or pause when you remove or wear the earbuds in your ears, and because of that sensor you don't get the seamless feeling when you put either side back into the case because the earbuds will temporarily pause, but the good thing is that you can pick up either side and use them independently. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. So when it comes to the sound quality, I honestly experienced a slightly better sound signature on the Aukey compared to the Halo. Comparing them side by side, one after another, I noticed the Aukey T31 comes with slightly better bass performance and works properly well in lower and louder volumes. You still don't get absolutely thumping bass at lower volumes, but definitely enough to tell them apart. The Aukey comes with a better 7mm titanium driver compared to the polymer resin driver on the Halo, and I think that gives the earbuds a better and stronger flex to produce a good quality sound signature. The mids and highs on these earbuds are also really good, and they sound nice and bright even with the bass going on, so very impressive stuff there. Soundstage wise, they do sound like your typical small driver earbuds, not the widest, and at some complex songs they do jumble up a little. From a sound quality perspective, maybe Aukey gave these earbuds a slight tune up to have that nice Aukey touch, which if that's the case, I think these earbuds is definitely worth the premium over the Halo. So call quality on the T31 is okay, but not the best I've heard. In quiet environments this work great, but when there's background noises you definitely get quite a lot of leaking through, and at very loud places it would probably drown out your voice. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see if the Aukey EP-T31 is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
And one of the key features of these earbuds is the inclusion of low latency mode, which is similar to the gaming mode on Halo. No claims on the latency performance, but from my testing, these work great with videos on YouTube or Netflix, and gaming in low latency mode is also excellent. From a casual gaming perspective, you definitely not notice any delay unless you absolutely need pick. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem.
The controls of the T31 is pretty standard unless you control most of the controls except for volume controls, but it does come with the assistant feature so you can control your volume there. To play or pause media, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. Very simple, very straightforward. So to skip tracks forward, double tap on your right earbuds and it'll skip forwards, and to skip backwards, double tap on your left earbuds to skip backwards. To call out your assistant, triple tap on your left earbuds and it will call out your assistant, so pause your media and call out your assistant. And lastly, to toggle between gaming mode or regular mode, triple tap on the right earbuds to toggle between the different modes. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Aukey T31. Although there are many versions of these earbuds out there, honestly both the Aukey and Halo are very impressive earbuds. Yes, you get better sound signature and better specs on the Aukey, but don't forget it's also twice the price of the GT5. So which of these will you buy? Anyway, that's all for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.